Hello, welcome back guys to a brand new video. This one we're gonna try to do it from the beginning. So what we have here on the table, we have a Riley Pathfinder made in Great Britain. It's a corgi toy. It is a police car. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this on. Again, it's not much inside, just we have just the screen. There is no seats, there is no interior in it. So only thing we have the screen, and it's gonna be pretty much straightforward. So let me crack this open guys and come back to you. I will see you in a bit. Hello and welcome back. Here we are guys. We're back with our Riley Pathfinder police car. Done and dusted, painted. Did a little bit details on it, like the front grille, bumper, the red police lights. Did find the antenna as well. We put one. Stickers didn't have onto the side of the doors, but I decided to put some because this one on the top, they just quite small, so sorry about that. Back bumper as well, some lights. Inside, as I said, is not much because there is no interior, just the glass. Clean it a little bit. I didn't even polish it, I just clean it, and it came out quite good. Best plate as well. So we throw up some tires on it, so here we are. Yeah, we are done and dusted. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, as I usually said, come back for more videos, and again thank you for sticking with me. Welcome and thank you to the new subscriber, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye for now.